Audio is absolutely essential when it comes to your live streams and your videos. And for me, it's the number one thing that ups the production value of your videos. And in this video, I want to talk about a few methods that I use to improve my audio quality. Hey guys, if we're meeting for the first time, my name is Swaldo. I'm a Twitch streamer and content creator in South Africa. And the first method that I really wanted to showcase was using a plugin. Now, audio plugins are absolutely essential for me. I use them from the time that I was using my headset microphone, which improved it quite a lot, all the way to when I was using a Razer Siren Mini, a HyperX, and even on the Shure MV7. As much as I love the Shure Motive app, I still use my plugin alongside this. And if you're wondering what I use the VST plugin. There's going to be a link in the description where you can get it from Discord or from the website directly. Sometimes the website is down, so you can go ahead and download that. Just run it through the installation process and restart your OBS and you should be good to go. If you're looking for an in-depth tutorial on that, I will link a video down below that shows you how to do it. It's free as well. Now, second from the plugin, I find it absolutely essential that you grab yourself a boom arm. Even if you're grabbing yourself the cheapest one you can afford, it makes a huge difference having that microphone lifted off of your table and closer to your mouth. And it gives you so much freedom of space for your hands on the keyboard, as well as having more desk space. Now, I had someone ask me about, if their table is moving or shaky. I actually wonder what kind of table you're using. But if your table is shaky, maybe put some like a towel underneath the stands of the table to help with that, so that it's not like but I personally use the low profile Elgato boom arm, which is amazing. Just thank you to Elgato for sending that to me. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you for that. The third thing that I do is I make sure that my room is jam-packed with things that are going to help with the audio waves bouncing off from the wall. So where you position yourself makes a huge difference. If you're facing the wall, that sound of your voice is going to bounce to the wall and come back. I've currently changed my setup quite a bit, as you might have seen from my last video. So my voice is actually traveling past my screens to the other side of this room, which actually created a lot of echo. And that's where my plugin and audio filters came in handy on reducing the noise and helping with echo cancellation. Another amazing feature, if you have an Nvidia RTX card, you can also use the Nvidia Broadcaster to help with noise cancellation. Okay, so I've currently got my fan blowing on the camera, and I want to show you how pretty awesome the Nvidia Broadcaster is with the RTX cards. So with the fan blowing on, you can hear that whether I'm dead quiet or whether I'm talking. So let's go ahead and activate the noise removal first, which is going to make a little bit of a difference. And then we're going to activate the room echo removal, which is the beta, which is pretty freaking awesome. Just wait till you guys. The noise removal added, and we're going to go ahead and activate the room. And voila, walla bing, walla bang. It's pretty amazing how far technology has come. The fact that this is a built-in chip inside of your RTX cards is just absolutely crazy. I'm currently running an RTX 3080, one of the best upgrades I've ever made. Let's get back to the video. Now, if you have a USB microphone that uses a filter similar to this thing, I actually wonder, what do you actually call this thing? I was calling it a pop filter, but I realized it was wrong to call it a pop filter. But if you are using a USB microphone that comes with one of these, maybe check if there's a different one that fits better. For example, the Shure MV7, it actually comes with this kind of a filter. It's very different. Let me actually see if I can show you here. So now I actually ended up getting this cover with a different microphone, which helps so much better with the P's. For example, let me go Peter Piper Pepper. Let's change it quickly. Peter Piper Pepper. I don't know if you could tell the difference there, but I'll continue the rest of the video with this and you'll be able to hear the difference as I talk. But consider trying out a different one of these to help with the P's. And my fifth one is going to be just making sure that your audio levels are good to go. Make sure that they are not hitting the red. Make sure that they're not too soft. Make sure that your music volume isn't overpowering your voice, or the game volume isn't overpowering your voice. And there's 5 super quick tips to help you make your audio sound even more professional. I'll see you in the next video.